Hey everyone, thanks for joining. It's Tommy. All right, what a great day this was. Before I get it kicked off, I just want to send out a reminder. Make sure to click like and subscribe, follow for more, putting out more video content, recaps, and also some ideas of what I think is going to happen here in a few stocks over the next few days. So definitely follow along. And our academy has just kicked off. So if you're interested in our group, in our Discord, or learning anything, give me a shout, send a DM. All right, AERC, huge candle today. Love the volume, great spike, way up. Like to see it dip, honestly. We ran in the after hours here, so typically when I look at these things, I see a potential pullback on low volume. So I'd like to see in the pre-market what this does early on, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. And if we can get this back under $5, 490, 480, light volume for another spike, that would be terrific. Definitely looking at this for the next few days. So even if we don't continue tomorrow, if something happens and this comes back into the mid to upper threes, would absolutely look at this for Wednesday, Thursday, and into Friday for a bounce to get over the highs that we set today and over the after market highs as well. So AERC, definitely one with massive volume today. Like it, follow it for more, and let's look at a few other ones that we saw today with some interesting volume. This is one that I've looked at for a while. We've called, we've alerted, we've played this one. This was beautiful back a few months ago, obviously, and a recovery here. Nice pattern that I'm seeing here. We're going to have some resistance in this area, but with the volume again that we saw today, could absolutely see MULN make a move here. Would love to see this thing get over 150, 165, and then bounce to new recent highs, I should say, 180 plus. So with the volume, I definitely have this one on watch. Anybody that actually got the bounce down here around 120. Not bad. You're probably talking 20 to 25% on that high today. So really nice little trade there. Keeping MULN on for watch for a couple of other moves here. Now another stock that was big, and some China plays that I saw as well. This one was red all day long. Huge gap up, really nice here. Great for the swing traders that got this. Starting to finally see some swings that are starting to pay off. We start to see these patterns. It's showing me that, okay, there's some life coming back into the market. So regardless of whether you had this trade or not, it was nice to see that we got the gap up, even though this was a really ugly trade day as far as being a long, trying to catch day trades on this here, because this one bled off all day long. So just really watching to see what it does next. Huge volume on this, 381 million shares traded. See if this comes back to possibly fill the gap right away. But sometimes these come back, they don't quite get to that gap, and they do have a bounce. So keep an eye on DI as well for a potential trade here late tomorrow into Wednesday, Thursday, to see if we can get that. Again, not looking for anything spectacular here. A lot of sellers on this particular play. So if you can get 10 to 15% out of a trade here on a bounce, that's a pretty good trade. So you got to be happy with that. And that right now is what we're looking for. Anything from 10 to 20% until we start to get some buyers back in this market and to get some upside with some support on the rise versus breaking these downtrends. So, all right, everyone. Thanks again for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you all soon.